In this video we are going to cover the make a prediction card for an experiment. In the previous steps of the experiment, we trained models based on your data to make a prediction on the target column. There are two ways to make a prediction. The first way is to use a file. You can upload a new file to make a prediction by dragging the file into this box. SML will then show its prediction values in the green highlighted column. It is optional for the user to provide values for the target column, but if they are provided, then they will be available in the orange column. You can view your previously uploaded files if you click on Use an existing file. You can use an existing file to make a prediction as well. The next way to make a prediction is to manually edit. You can edit in any single field and see how it will impact the prediction value.